Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
Hi, Lucas here, taking over this video with my voice. So, I like the eyebrows, babe. Fill them in, fill them in, fill them in. Yeah, come on. Yeah, that's nice. All right. So this video is what, 16 minutes? Tune in. It's gonna get quicker, faster, and more beautiful, like usual. So what's that left side? Dab it up. Dab. 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 No, I'm just playing around. But basically, after she finished the eyes, okay, what's this? What's this? Gold. Looks like gold. I'm not sure. What is this, babe? Concealer. Okay, concealer. Dab it anywhere because it's going anywhere, so it doesn't really matter. All around the top of the eyelid. And then she got the sponge. I know what that is. The booty blender. Exactly what it is. Right? So, don't hurt yourself, babe. Do not hurt yourself. I love those eyes. Q-tip. And they clean it up nice. This is where all the money goes. This is where the Q-tips go. Every time I'm looking for one, can't find it. Because she's using her eyes. I can see it on top of the eyebrow. This is just to seal it, I guess. To make it as fake as possible. And as black as possible. Don't hit me. Just telling the truth. Alright. So that's 4 Q-tips already. Brand new Q-tips I used. And then this is supposed to be on your eyelash. Why you put it on your eyebrows. And that's the Jason what?
James Johnson.
James Johnson?
James Charles.
James Charles, sorry. I didn't know. It's not that important to me. Purple, that's purple? What is that?
Dark purple.
Not the color, babe. I know the color I can see. I'm not colorblind. And that's green, right? Obviously. So that's eyeshadow? Alright, so you smudge it in. Mixing 3 colors together. All right, now this is cool. I had to jump back in for this one, right? The gold or yellow eyeshadow kind of makes it look like the Finding Nemo thing. Finding Nemo theme from Disney Channel, which I really like. And then it also looks like a peacock in a way. And it also looks like a Jamaican flag. Hey. I don't know. I don't know. But I like it. Now this is scary. I always feel like I'm either gonna poke somebody. You're just drawing. It's a marker. You're just marking the top of your eyes. Don't hurt yourself. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Poke, 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 poke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hey, I'm not tired of counting. All right, Crystal's joining us. She's gonna help me explain some of this.
This is foundation.
It's foundation.
Yeah, that's
I'm
foundation.
using a beauty blender.
Yeah, now I only use a beauty blender for my foundation.
Okay. So how much you gotta squirt on your face to?
It depends on preference. I go again, I think.
So on this particular one, how much did you do?
Like maybe 6 pumps.
6 pumps.
Yeah, the pumps are like this
Pump,
tiny.
pump, 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 pump. Pump it up.
Okay, Fast and Furious.
It's not Fast and Furious. That was actually
Too Fast, Too Furious.
No, it was not.
I don't know.
It was it wasn't Stomp the Yard. It was the other one.
That was Fast and the Furious.
No, the one before that. With Mario. All right.
Concealing those dark circles.
Oh, that's what it is. You're trying to get rid of the bags in the eyes?
It's not bags. I have dark circles. There's a big difference.
And everybody else has bags?
No. Some people have dark circles also. I just happen to have dark circles.
So what is that, a wing?
No, it's kind of like, it's just a part of my face that just looks that way. It just has that dark ring under it. It's kind of like my orbital socket. That's just how it is.
Socket.
It is. That's what it's called.
Okay.
So
Got the
I'm
cat,
bringing it back to life.
You got like the Wonder Woman.
Making it
face
look how
mask.
it's supposed to look. Technically, whatever you don't like, you fix. Okay.
I feel you.
Highlighting. I'm highlighting right now.
So center of your nose to your chin.
Highlighting my cupid's bow, my chin, my nose, wherever the light hits. The good features.
So there's a technique for this. Is lighting involved?
Yeah.
Didn't know that.
Blam blam blam.
Blam blam. Okay. So that was just like what the other girl used with the brush. Now is
I used to use brushes, but beauty blender, ever since I was introduced to it, I have never gone back. I use brushes, but not for foundation anymore. Just for other things,
Yeah. Okay, hold the hair up. Can't get the hair dirty. That's cool.
It all comes together in the end.
Yeah, it lights up your face though. It lights it up.
Yeah, that's why it's called a highlight.
What's it supposed to do?
Okay. Highlight and contour. I'm gonna contour in a second. Now what are we doing here?
That's contouring.
Baking.
Baking.
Gotta bake the concealer so it stays put and it doesn't crease, doesn't get oily, all that jazz.
What's all this lingo?
What do you mean?
Jazz. All that jazz.
All that jazz.
See, she just threw white on that though.
Laura Mercier.
She's supposed to be good.
It melts. It's not white. It melts. Hey.
Laura Mercier.
Dance
That's
it
a
out,
girl
girl.
or a guy?
A girl. Now I'm contouring.
Sure. Because Victoria's Secret was a
See?
guy.
Make that nose what you want it to be, girl.
What is it, fatter or skinnier?
No, I just like how it looks. I don't really have a problem with it.
Fish.
Hide that double chin.
You don't have a double chin.
Yes, I do.
Not really.
Blam, blam, blam.
Okay, there's one thing I never get. Why? Why make that face? Suck in your face. No fish face. Suck it in. Suck it in. Alright. So what's this white shit?
I'm cutting my contour.
What the fuck does that mean?
You know, you're highlighting the bottom of the contour so it shows more prominently.
Then you drink a glass of water.
Okay.
Obviously.
Here's this one. Now I'm going over the nose contour with a powder because I used cream in the beginning.
I really like the yellow.
The eyeshadow color?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, I guess it goes good with your nails too, but
when I got the powder, I wanted to do yellow, but I just happened to not do it. Yeah.
there's a lot of layering involved.
Yeah, but it still comes out with this one.
What's the point? It's so much time. Fly to the sky. Eyelashes, the fake ones. Okay.
You gotta put that corner, that end in place.
Feeling fine, feeling fine. Boom, boom, boom. That's so much work.
When you love it, it's not work.
No, I like doing cars and it's still work. So much work sometimes. That I don't want to do certain jobs again. Like eyelashes will be one of them. Like, nope, I'm not doing this one again.
No, I'm just making sure it's in place.
Still, it's just so much
It's
positioning.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
Like, I'm getting claustrophobic.
And now, this is me taking powder that's the color of my skin, and I'm gonna use that to blend. You see how we have the dark and the light in the contour? You don't want it to stay like that. So you're gonna take a powder that matches my complexion, and we're gonna put that over, and it's gonna melt everything together.
Juicy.
I like that you like the eyeshadow combo.
Yeah,
Now we're gonna do the baby lashes, you know, make that pop, put that brush in.
Put that brush in.
And we're highlighting now, you know highlight, you know.
Yeah, I just know it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
It's more layering upon layering. So how many faces you have on now?
One. That's not funny.
It's hilarious.
Look at it. You can see it in person right now. It doesn't look like layers. It looks like
I
skin.
know, but I see the process, and I know.
You see the process all the time.
That's true.
We're gonna use a highlight, you know, the brow bone, you know, make that brow pop.
You got the rock eyebrow.
You know, highlight the nose right there in the center. And in the corner, you know, get that a little bit.
You see, I would never think about none of that. I would just, I go outside every day, but with putting water on that spot on my face. You guys are the complete opposite. That means I definitely can't be touched. The lipstick. It's pink?
Lip liner.
It's
You gotta
pink.
line it first.
Is it pink? It's definitely pink.
You know, most times when you have a really, really bold eye, you want to go with a really neutral lip. Something so it doesn't overpower the eyes. You don't want to go with green lipstick on the lips and green eyeshadow. I mean, you can, but
Yeah, you could have went.
But
You
it's
could have went
just-
goth.
but it would look nice depending on what color you use. But You know, I just felt like it would look better like this.
Nice.
Hey.
Fabulous.
Hey.
All right, we're just wrapping up. Full.
Now we're putting the gloss, because that lipstick has the lipstick and then a gloss that comes with it. So, glossing it up. Yep.
It's currently...
Pout that, pout that.
What? I see, yeah.
That's the final look.
Beautiful.
I just want you to know.
Good job, babe.
You're my favorite girl.
Subscribe, tune in. Like button. Christal Greer. Lucas Greer, Takeover. Beautiful. Look. Shake it, show it.
Hey,
Hey. Bye.